So today we are going to see about soldering and troubleshooting techniques. Soldering is one of the important thing in electronic components to join the components in a PCB boards. So the PCB boards would have single layer soldering techniques like this, one side soldered, and you would have double sided soldering uses both the sides of the PCB or soldered. So you would have a multi-layer soldering is also essential. So according to the things, nowadays it is automated by machines for soldering the things. So today we will see the manual soldering, so which is first and foremost thing essential for our certain components remedy in our day-to-day life. So here we are going to choose any circuit can be implemented with this common board. This board would be called as dot board. This is especially used for connecting the circuit in a common manner. So this dot board consists of one side it is having a dots, and another side you are having a copper coated dots. So you can have this copper coated dots would help you to solder easily in this side. So you can solder either in this side is very easy to solder. If you use this side, you have to use wire for soldering. So soldering rod, you can see the wattage rating. So this is the soldering rod. So it is having 25 watts, 230 volt. So 230 volt if you give, it would heat the element inside the soldering iron gets heated up to 25 watts. So as an electronic component, you should maintain the temperature for joining the components, because majority of the electronic component fail due to the temperature increases. So temperature have to be kept in a particular range to keep the in safety and working condition. So all the computers are kept inside the air conditioners. So keeping the temperature and also joining, you should note down the wattage rating of your soldering iron. So it would be available with various rating. Here it is 25 watts. So this material is called as lead material. This material is used to join the components in component wise. You can join like this. If you heat this material, it would be melted. So the melting point of this lead would be used to join the components in a PCB. And here this material is called flux. So this is used to it is used to attach the component in a proper way. So it would give, this flux is used to have a bonding with the particular material so that it can join easily. So first level we should know what is the circuit we are going to do. So a common circuit here, it is taken as a full wave rectifier. It consists of 4 diodes. So the diode is having a symbol like this. It would have 2 sides, one is anode and another one is cathode, and this is called terminals. So the anode and cathode, it is a symbolic representation of diode. Here practically if you note down, this symbol is not there. Instead of that, you would have a number. The number is displayed in your diode IN 400127. So this diode is having 2 terminals. one is anode and another one is cathode. So how to identify these terminals? You come across various experiments. Here the round part or round edge which is having white color act as a cathode. This terminal would act as a cathode. You would have a ring like structure, white color ring like structure. It denotes it is a cathode. So you have to keep your write things in a aligned manner like this, and you have to join the particular thing for your making your full wave rectifier. Here we have taken the example as full wave rectifier. It requires 4 diodes which converts AC to DC. You are going to see in your separate experiment. So this 4 diodes have to be joined with respective configurations like matching your anode and cathode. So these things would be done with this common board, dot board, along with capacitor. So the capacitor act as a filter, diode act as a rectifier. So it converts AC to DC. The DC is available across this capacitor, and this pump, desoldering pump, would use to suck the soldered lead material inside, and it would suck and throw out of the thing during your desoldering side.
Okay.
You have to keep your diodes in proper direction, and you have to repeat the circuit as it is: anode cathode, anode cathode, anode cathode, anode cathode, in the diagram. Whatever the diagram given, you have to make the connection, and you have to go with soldering. Before soldering, you have to apply flux. So the flux you have to apply here using some material. You can apply the flux. Now you have to heat it. While heating, you apply this material for soldering. So this material would join the two things. You can see just flux. The flux would help to join the components. Remaining things, you can cut the unwanted legs like this. Using cutter, you can remove the unwanted components after joining or before joining. Now you can use this as a full wave rectifier component, the required component. You have to give AC supply and DC supply. Here you can see the capacitor here negative sign, so it is negative, and this is positive. This can be joined in that side or this side. If you want to use this side itself, you can connect the things between positive and negative. Now the component have been joined together. Joined very well, but due to certain aging factor, this would be desoldered or dryly soldered would give some problems. So you would have a clear soldering. You would have soldered the components clearly. So after placing, you have to place the lead correctly. This is desoldering. If you want to remove unwanted things, you just heat the material and pull that one with the handle. So that would suck the molten material like this. If you want to desolder it, just heat it and take this, you can see find the materials falling down. So you should be careful because the material is short circuit certain terminals. So you can see this can even short circuit the terminals like these PCB boards. So this is a LED LCD connection, so where you would have dots for joining the wires. So you should be careful at joining each thing. If you have not joined properly, it would short circuit the things. So while joining these leads, you should be careful at particular things. You should not join first and second. So you can see through the things. So this should not be happen. So this first and second should not be joined, it short circuit the terminal. So you have to use flux for removing these things, and you have to solder it properly. And take out the wires.